What does the cow say? Moo. What does the horse say? What does the horse say? What does the doggy say? What does the doggy say? Ruff, ruff. What does the kitty say? Meow. Can you say dada? Can you say mama? Can you say nana? Can you say papa? Can you say tickle? Can you say tickle? Can you say, water? Can you say car? Good. Can you say, what's the other one you can say? You can say puff. Good. What's another word you can say? If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. You don't want to? It's okay. All right, we gotta get you some food because your ears are popping. Love you.